After taking off your shoes and entering the computer lab, the first thing they taught you was that Charles Babbage is the father of modern computing. But what if that was just half the truth? On this episode of Men Who Stole Their Fame from Women, we're talking about Ada Lovelace. So, in the 1840s, Charles Babbage was building what he claimed would be the fastest calculator yet. To him, this would be the biggest, best, most amazing math machine that ever existed. But while he saw just this machine, his collaborator Ada Lovelace saw the future. She had this revolutionary idea that if numbers represented symbols like alphabets or musical notes, then that very machine could be used to create music, process images, and of course, store information. So while Babbage was doing math, which is great in itself, Ada was essentially conceptualizing the idea of data. Now, before the haters do one Google search and come for me in the comments, let me mention that Ada is credited as his collaborator, no doubt. She's credited for basically translating his work, but the notes that she wrote for him are three times longer than the source matter. And tucked in these notes was a step by step algorithm to calculate Bernoulli numbers. And that's how the world's first computer program was built almost a century before the invention of a computer. And by a woman. Unfortunately, that period was so unkind and dismissive of women more than today, and Ada never got her due. She's not credited in textbooks. There are no awards and honors in her name. If not for this video, maybe you wouldn't have heard of her either. So, how many more Ada Lovelaces do you guys think have existed across history who, unlike Ada, didn't even get the tag of translator? No record exists of them, no textbooks are talking about them, yet you and I are benefiting from their labor, from their wisdom, from their work. In this series, I'm basically trying to cover stories of women who history did dirty. If you have any suggestions on who I should cover next, please drop them in the comments.